Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on push notifications. Then you come to next step here. Come here to watch list movement. Just click in this sign. Now like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here watch list movements enable with us now. And there can you select for percent here. So that like you see, it's enabled with us now here. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.